Alright, we're gonna do some Pokemon card pack opening. Let's see what we got. Nice. Tell them what we got.
We got,
Oh, mystical Pokemon.
shiny. Got all 3 of his forms.
Why don't you give them a close-up of the cards? Show them a close-up of the cards. Yeah. That way they can see.
Last one. Okay. Time for the pack. Let's hope we get lucky and get this guy.
Nice.
You ready? Set. Go. This time. Okay. Starting off with him. Now, him. Ooh, we got a Raichu.
We got a Raichu.
We got energy.
Speak up so they can hear you now, little Pokemon.
We got like a what is it?
Flame Cloak.
His name?
Arcan.
Arkin?
Arcan?
I think that's his name. Okay. We got a holo. This is my first holo. First holo
Got
card.
the first holo card.
So
What is
we got
that?
a blue elephant.
Who is that? Talk to them.
I
Tell them
think
who
his
is
name
it.
is Fanby. And we got Sunburn.
Nice.
Okay. I'm remembering right now that the back of the card, like the back of the cards, is the best part. Okay, we got this guy. And this guy. And then this guy I have him, he's cool. Okay. Okay. Oh, and we got this guy.
Who is that? Swirlix.
And now I'm gonna put them in here because we got a better thing. I'm pretty sure a bunch of packs. We got a special Articuno box. One of the Galarian birds from Pokemon. I'm gonna use this to open it. Okay, so the Articuno is already right there. You can see Articuno is in there. Okay. Here is the Articuno. We're going to take him out later. Not now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. That's a lot of packs. Starting off with this one. Okay, ready? We're going to get it off fast. Okay, ready? I'll try to see the back of it. This part we don't need. Starting off with trainers.
Closer so they can see it.
Okay, that's
Trainers.
put it right there.
There's that one there. Shyman. Shymin.
Oh, we got training shoes. Training shoes. We have energy.
Energy.
We got this guy. He has a lot of health, 120. Ooh. Got a shiny trainer.
Shiny trainer.
I have this dude, he's cool. Him. Okay, well, the second and third to last guy. I got this flying dude, he flies. He has like feathers. It's like a bat. This guy's pretty good. I like him, he's pretty cool. Last guy is a bird. I have him. Yep. Okay, starting off with that pack. Now, put these packs right here. Now, moving on to our third pack. Okay, ready? Starting now with this guy. Oh, it's an Ultra Ball. Wow, it's an Ultra Ball. Starting off with an Ultra Ball. That's a really good item. Got Gloom. Got Gloom. Got trainers. We have more energy. We have a blossom guy. A girl. Okay. Got a shiny, like really cool crystal looking like girl. We got Mr. Mime. Woo. Got potion. You got a potion. A bit off. I have a shiny version of Pokemon Go. Okay, we got him. It's a bug. And we got... Ooh, I have him too. He's cool. Okay. Third pack is done. I think the third pack was one of the best packs we have so far. Fourth pack. Okay, let's see. Number one is the same guy we got last time. Number two is some trainers, digging duo. And then we got a
Glue Exo.
A water energy. And a snake guy. Like pink.
Enormous.
Shiny. Same guy, but he's a shiny. Shiny him.
Malaga.
We got him again.
Cherry. Is that Cherry? For real?
Got the same guy. He's like a little...
I like that one.
Got him again. And the same guy again. And the last guy... This is Lucario's first form.
Nice.
I don't know who Lucario is. I love Lucario. He's cool. Put it over here. Second to last pack. We're getting there. This one's hard to open. first form of the second form of Aron.
Nice.
Oh, Lost Vacuum. Special Magical Vacuum. The, looks like a Venus flytrap.
What is the name of that one? Carnivine.
More energy! We got a hollow.
What is that? Hollow. Look at that. Wow. Nice, huh?
Shiny! Got another shiny sheep. Got a shiny sheep. We got a Chartot. Love Disc. I know this guy. He's really cool. We got a Perline. Rock Ruff. And last card is Execute. Okay, this is the last card pack.
Let me see the pack again. Alright. Yeah, there you go. I want to show it to them the right way. Sorry about the upside down shot.
And the last one is so hard to open.
You always want to carefully open your packs
True.
so you don't damage your cards, everyone. Pokemask, what do you got? I can't wait. I want to see what you got.
Starting off, don't need this like last time. Starting off with another Lost Vacuum. Train. Another Ultra Ball.
Ultra Ball. Now you have Ultra Balls. So, well, you do. You got more than one, so they're balls. Whoa, people. We got...
Beauty. That's a lot. That's like the most HP I have now.
Ooh.
That's a really good card. I mean, it sure looks like it. Another shiny. Got another shiny. This is like the best pack we got so far. Starbright.
First star.
Aron.
I see tonight.
We got a cricket.
Jiminy Cricket. We got Jiminy. I'm just kidding.
Seal. The last one is Oddish.
Oh, can we get a good close-up of that last card, please? Hold it up. Oh, yeah. There you
Oddish.
go. That's the last one, people.
Yep.
You want to say bye?
Not yet.
Let's say bye.
We have one more card to show.
Oh, my bad. We're not going bye yet.
Ready for the
the grand finale, folks.
Boom. Ready? Basic Galarian Articuno.
You heard it, folks.
And it's cool looking. Okay, so we're gonna wrap this up. Dad, you wanna do the
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.